Hi, I'm Mr. Jacob and I work for the Kansas City, Kansas Public Library at the Turner branch, and I am going to do a science experiment with you. Now, just a reminder, I am outside. There is lots of noise happening. We've got birds singing, we got cars driving by, people are out there playing frisbee. There's all sorts of stuff. So I'm going to try to talk loud enough so you can hear me, but there might be a few distractions. So just giving you a heads up. Now, today the experiment we're going to do is we are going to blow up a balloon with Diet Coke. Now, truck going by. That's what I was talking about. Okay, so this is kind of similar to the experiment you do with Mentos and Diet Coke when you make it shoot up all over the place. That neat little thing. This is just a little different. Now, what you need is first you need some Diet Coke. And I just got these little bottles because I don't think we need too much. And then you need a balloon. And then you need Mentos. Now, I'm going to open this up. Now, what I would recommend, the Mentos you want the mint one. But if you really want to do this as an experiment, try a bunch of different things. Get the fruit Mentos also. Get some Skittles, some M&Ms. Try a few different ones. See what happens. Now, I'm going to put these in the balloon. I'm just going to put 2 of them in there for now. I don't think we need too many. Now, as always, when you do experiments, be sure to do them with parents around. You want to make sure everything is done safely. Now, so all right, I got those Mentos in there. Now I'm going to open this carefully. There we go. And I am going to put this over the opening. Oh, okay. Let's see. There we go. All right, so I've got the Mentos right there, and we got the opening here. Hopefully, I've done this right so it doesn't blow up in my face. That could happen. I could get really soaked in Diet Coke right now. So we're going to find out. But hopefully this works out the way it's supposed to. So you ready? All right. I'm going to push the Mentos down in there now. Whoa. Wow. I got one in there. It is spilling out of the side a little. Look at that. It's a weird shape. All right. Okay. It's a little scary. So, what is happening? Why is this blowing up the balloon? So, I'm going to read from my notes because you know what? It's okay to read from notes. I want to make sure I tell you the right stuff. So, I'm going to go to my notes to explain this properly. But, first of all, what is blowing this up is carbon dioxide. And the reason is because of nucleation sites. Now, what that means is the Diet Coke is full of carbon dioxide. And the Mentos have all these tiny little holes on them. So when you drop it in there, all that carbon dioxide, it goes into those holes. But as the Mentos dissolves, it's got to go somewhere. So those little bubbles it makes go up. And there's a lot of little tiny holes. So it's making a lot of bubbles. But that candy is dissolving in there. So, let's see. Let me make sure I get this right. But yeah, each pit is called a nucleation site. Now, as they escape, they all go up at once, and that pushes it out. So when you do this without the balloon, it shoots the soda up in there. That's because all those bubbles are going straight up. All at the same time, they have to go somewhere really fast, and they fly out. Now, in this case, we put a balloon on here, and that gas has to go somewhere, and it goes into the balloon. And since the balloon is stretchy, it's made out of polymers, which we've talked about in other videos. Those polymers stretch out, so that gas stretches out the balloon and blows it up. So that is how you blow up a balloon with soda and without blowing it up with your mouth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this experiment, and thank you for watching. As always, do your experiments with a parent around, because not only is it safer, but it's also more fun. You can talk to them about it. You can try different things, see what happens, and see what you learn. So thank you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.